I need the monk, 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 I need the monk. Deflect it, deflect it, deflect it. Oh, that is good damage. Let's go. And it still didn't do it. Ah, smell. I see how it is. No, 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 no. He's taking my damage. He's taking my damage. He's taking. Ah. Okay, he took mine. I took his. Alright. Gotta be careful though. Furnace here. Monk. Wait, 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 wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Rage, just rage, just rage. Come on. Add another furnace, add another furnace. Bro, I should have known he has lightning. Okay, Dark Goblin. Monk, 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 monk. Deflect this, deflect it, deflect it, deflect it, deflect it. Okay, that was a close call, that was a close call, that was a super close call. Bro, what in the world was that? Add a monk, 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 add a monk. Dark Goblin. Deflect this, deflect this, deflect it, deflect it, deflect it, deflect it. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We have a chance, we have a possibility, we have a possibility, and I think that's game. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay, that was close. He's gonna probably put something over here. I'm not 100% sure. Cycle that. Play the monk here. Okay, use the ability. Okay, that was garbage. Not gonna lie. Damn it. Play the monk, play the monk, play the monk. Use the ability, use the ability, use the ability. We have a chance, we have a chance, we have a chance. Rage plus log. No, there's no way. Play the monk, play the monk, play the monk. Play the ability. Rage, 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 rage. We won. GG. If you made it this far, follow.